He's advertising Grasso's event.
Oh, sure.
You want to put that on your site? So
Yeah,
people...
we will. We're actually filming that. We're going to be there covering the event too, the day of. And beforehand, we're going to go ahead and we're going to advertise it too. Okay, we're on it, buddy. We're on it, bud. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in downtown Omaha at the World of Wheels 2026. It's March, and I got to lean in down here. My dad's got his 32. Our buddy Jeremy's right there with his Fox body. We're going to walk around a little bit today. Going to take you with us, show you what's going on. We're doing it, buddy. We're doing it. Had a chance to walk around a little bit earlier, and there's a lot of nice cars here. And 1320 Videos here's got a heck of a collection of the big iron, fast stuff, Old Galaxy convertible over here, pretty 64, year newer than the one we're building at my parents' driveway, Johnny, for you, your car.
My car.
Yeah, your car, the 63.5 427.
All black.
well, I'll pick the color, you know what I'm saying? All black everything, right? All black everything. This old Nova here on the end, this here, old Mike, Big Mike would like this one, Johnny. Look at this Nova, boy. Whew. That thing's looking right, isn't it? She's got the look, and there's another one right in front of it too. Like these cars next row over, they're like the fast guys, dude. The new has been rubbed off, all right. About to go. Hey, there's Midwestern Garage right there, YouTube channel guys, right there. What's up, guys?
There he goes.
There he is, our man Paul, right there in the crew. Dude, that one over there with lift-off hood, dude. That's me all day long, dude. Look at that. Oh, multicolored, no hood hinges. Just lift the hood off. Lexan everywhere. Windows. That's so good. That's good stuff. That thing's right, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is me right there, dude. Yeah. That's it right there. I mean, that's way too fast for anything. It probably runs real hard. My stuff's just trying to get it out of its own way, but. Small block, let's go. Nothing cool or what? I mean, I do like the nice ones too, This one's beautiful, my goodness. My buddy Teddy had one of these 454 SS trucks right here, this black one. Stole right from his house.
Tune and Ted.
Yeah, Tune Ted had one of these, dude.
I remember that.
You here? I'm coming right out. Okay. Yep. Peyton's here.
Okay.
Put a fine collection here, the old 58. Old Josh Trail's got one of these. Of course, American Graffiti car. The old Chevy. Got it sitting right. This looks pretty stock though. Loving that. Clean. Very cool. What's this old Ford right here? Old Ford business coupe looks like. Got the louvered hood. This is nice. Wow, look at that. White walls with the Cadillac hubcaps. I think they call them sombreros. Kind of a rare hubcap. Man, that's a beautiful car right there. I think it's got a Lincoln steering wheel in it. Pretty rare steering wheel. Pretty sure that's out of a Lincoln. Business coupe's got that longer section there. It appears to be a business coupe with a short quarter glass. This is a nice surprise here. I've heard about this car. I haven't had a chance to see it yet. Amber from Mike's Classic Cars out in Elkhorn. Wow, what a beautiful car. Heard a lot about it. My buddy works out there at the shop and heard good things about it. It is not disappointing. Wow, she is beautiful. 65, got the LS in her. Those colors are just striking. Wow, big block hood. Wow. That's a cool car. And of course over here, got that Bronco. How are you? Hi. How we love the Broncos. Look at that, wow. They did it a little different than I did it. They did it right. Yeah, they did it right. It's a little different, you know what I mean? Yeah. Whoa, beautiful. Wow. What do you think, Johnny? We'd look good in that thing, dude, right? It is gorgeous, man.
You know who else looked good in this? Our boy Scott Rippey.
Oh, he's a Bronco guy. He always looks good though. He old, you know, a little older than me. I've been his ugly friend for 30 some years, you know. Dude, I'm gonna be 40 next year, dude. I'm getting, right? Got the small block in it. Refreshing to see. A lot of the guys are going to the Coyote motors. But boy, they did it right. My header on this side, I had to redo off a Fox Body Mustang header and kind of got some goober welds on it, but it's working. Man, this thing is nice. Wow, that's cool. The old Mike's classic cars, they come deep this year. They got pickup trucks here. They got the Corvette. This thing here is amazing. This one's got the Coyote swap, and I'm not mad about it. Dent side, 4-door, 4x4, holy grail truck right here. These things have just skyrocketed in the last, I don't know, 5 to 10 years. These dent side Fords, this 3/4 ton, big axles. Mike does them right out there. He's been doing these trucks lately. He ain't disappointing with them, I'll tell you that. There are orange ones over there. We should probably check that out too. That's a beautiful truck. But before we do that, let's go check out this dragster over here. The guy here in town built this thing, and I really like to do a feature on this car coming up. 392 supercharged, old school. Man, this thing's right. Very similar to the engine we want to put into the Willys right here. Supercharged 392. I probably won't have that really cool jewelry on the Willys, but we're probably gonna run on fuel too. I think this is set up for alcohol, the pump. This is one of those where it's called a slingshot. You sit over the rear end, so your legs are over the rear end when you're doing your burnouts and going down the track. So it was a different breed back then. And then Big Daddy Don Garlitz, of course, was the first one to do the swamp wrap when they put the motor behind the driver. And what you see nowadays is more traditional. That way when the motor blows up, that hot oil and fire doesn't get on you, it's behind you. Get a shot down there, that rear end, Johnny. What do you think, Johnny? You want to take this for a pass down the quarter mile, buddy?
Yeah. Make sure
That's
all my
cool,
affairs
right?
are in order first.
Yeah, make sure your affairs in order. I like the way you said that. Oh, got that old BMX collection looking good. All of the bikes. Wow. Got the GT Performer, the Freestyle, Dyno, man, a couple dynos. Boy, that's my youth right there, Johnny. BMX, baby, 20-inch for life. In here somewhere, I seen it. There's a Mongoose moto bag. That's probably my favorite bike ever. Was the Mongooses, because that's what the cool kids in the neighborhood rode when I was young. You know. We do. We still ride BMX. Yes. I kind of got an old Mongoose moto mag that needs a little work, but. Oh, you're trying to stay in shape, John, so I look like you, buddy. Never guess who we ran into down here. Andrew Shaw, good friend of ours from back in the day, and Johnny's.
Yes, sir.
Probably more from the gym now than cars, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
probably.
like you guys are lifting all the time. Me, as you can tell, I need to get to the gym. But we came across Andrew's truck here, and wow, this thing is beautiful, dude. Tell us more about it.
85 C10. It's been frame offed. Folk UA1 suspension, LS swap, 4L60. I just did a bunch of work to it for the show. Got it all ceramic coated and polished up.
Wow.
Bought a new set of wheels for it.
Beautiful truck, man.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I'm kind of going through the process of converting it over to look a little old school, small blockish, but still have some LS, you know.
It's got the right valve covers on it, right?
Yeah.
The coils are kind of hidden.
Yeah,
That's kind of a nice touch.
It is. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And I see as we get older,
right,
air conditioning is good.
It is.
When we're younger, we tell all this stuff off.
Well, if you want your wife and kids to ride with you, you kind of have to find the
We get
line.
smarter as we get older, they say.
They
you know what I
say,
mean?
yeah.
That thing is beautiful, man. Very cool.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Very nice. So you going to do any shows with this year, like Good Guys, or?
I'm going to do Good Guys in Des Moines, probably. Okay. I want to try to make it to a couple truck shows. I'm a big truck guy, so I'll do the local stuff here for sure, but we'll see how far I make it away. I love driving it.
Yeah.
So, I
you
mean,
want to put miles on it.
Yeah, I want to put some miles on it.
For show. She's for go.
Yep.
A buddy of mine, Matt Lukowski, runs like this.
Oh, yeah.
You know him?
I do.
He's a good guy,
He
right?
is.
And he's big into square bodies and does the shows and everything. Yeah, he's so cool.
Yeah, I just watched that truck that he sold.
Okay.
Yeah, I was watching that live, that OBS that he had.
Okay, yeah.
So,
Dude, when we were younger, dude, he had this jacked up, 4x4, it was a monster, dude. So cool, but yeah, he's a good guy.
Yeah, he's a good guy to know in the square body world. If
Absolutely.
if you need something, he's got it.
He's the one. He's the one, yeah.
For sure,
For
sure.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for showing us your truck, man.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
Good to see
you,
you.
man. Good seeing you,
Yes,
too.
sir.
This one here now, my goodness. 78. So this will be the last year for the 460. So 77, 78 have that big tall grill. And 79 looks exactly the same, but they put the 400 in them. So this being the 78, still got the 460. Holy Grail right here. I've had a couple of these. I had a couple Mark Vs. Had 2 Mark Vs and one 77 Lincoln Town Coupe, I believe was the year of mine. But it was a 2-door, so it was the coupe. But man, I'll tell you what, whew, I always love those big cars. You know what I mean, Johnny? I like them. I'm still driving Lincolns today for my daily. Long live the Panther. Boy, she's beautiful. Just when you thought you brought the coolest road race car here, the roughest, fastest, nope. Always somebody faster, cooler, you know what I mean? Wow, this thing is amazing. Full carbon fiber. I think it's a Nissan. Wow, how cool is that thing, dude? Like a full-blown, like, Le Mans car. Man, that's cool. How you doing? Good. Good, good. Is this yours?
Yeah, my buddy, he's walking around with his kid.
Dude, this thing is sick, dude.
Yeah, he's the driver.
Was it a series that you came from?
So this one was retired from IMSA. So once they get new chassis, they retire out the old ones.
Yep.
So he races in, I believe it's called the BP series. So his first race will be in Ohio. So he'll take it up the road course there. Then there's Road America in Wisconsin, Atlanta, Daytona. So
Oh yeah,
he goes
the
to all
big
of them.
the big
Yep.
trucks. That's so cool, man.
Yep.
Very awesome. We got the Mustang over there, the Celine. That was SCCA Pro Car for
Yep.
2 years. So I used to be on the team and go to all the races. I was on there for 10 years and traveled all around. So
Yeah, he just upped this. So this is an upgrade for him because he had a prototype before this, but it was a 4-cylinder. Now he has a V8. This is a Nissan V8 specifically built for racing.
nice.
So-
Very cool. Well, thank you so much
No
for sharing,
problem.
dude.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Thank
Hopefully
you.
you guys have a great day.
Thank you. So Johnny, you already did a film session with that one, didn't you, Johnny? Well, that's a beautiful car, that Dart here. And you said this is his car too? And you say he just finished it? Wow, it's beautiful. I like the way he does it. He and I do it 2 different ways, John. He does them right. I don't know what I'm doing. You know what I mean? That thing is nice. About 5 minutes ago, we thought he only had 2 cars here. Come to find out he's got a 3rd car.
3.
Yeah, three cars here, and the wagon's the 3rd one we're looking at here.
Yep.
This thing is sick. Did you build this one too?
Yep.
Man,
Yep.
that thing is nice.
Yep, that
Was
was last winter's project.
Was it that clean? That
No,
thing, no, he did a lot of.
No, you can see it.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
It took some major work.
So you can do a
but-
car over a winter usually?
Yep,
Like,
yeah, the last couple winters I've done a couple of them.
wow, good for you, brother. That's awesome. And so, Johnny was asking about that speaker. Tell us about that speaker.
Oh yeah, that speaker. Yeah, a lot of people don't know what that thing is. That's before the time right there, boy.
That is
that?
drive-in theater speaker,
Drive-in
right?
theater, yeah. You used to pull up the drive-in theater and you put that on the inside of your window and you could turn it on. That's how you listen to the movie.
Man, very cool. And you did something special with this one, right?
Yeah, this one here's.
How you
got
doing?
some
Sorry,
fans on it.
sorry, buddy.
That's all right.
Dude, how cool is that, dude?
Bluetooth.
It's all
that's
synced
nice,
to your
dude.
Bluetooth.
Very cool.
That is wild. That is
good.
wild.
Hello. We're down here, but I'm walking back towards the car here, so I got to roll here. Do it at Kempton Bluffs. What happened? Okay, so one of the biggest interviews we wanted to do at this show is our friend Lily and her dad here, Chris, my buddy from way back in the day. For, I don't know, 20 or 30 years I've known this guy. And Lily, 16 years old, right?
Yeah.
16, and they built this truck together. Watch right behind you, Johnny. Sorry. Little kid walking there. But you guys built this truck together,
We did, yeah.
right? And you bought it as a roller, or what was the?
It was given to her from a guy on TikTok.
Okay. Oh man, that's awesome. Because you had a big TikTok following too, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
yep.
Very cool. And what was the vision with the truck then? Street truck, race truck,
Just a daily
daily driver, take it to school.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Go too crazy at 16, right? We don't want to be doing 200 mile an hour quite yet, right, Chris? So yeah, very cool. And you guys painted the truck, right?
Yep,
You guys
we painted it ourselves.
all right there in the garage at home,
At work,
at work. Okay. Okay.
in a forklift paint booth.
Okay.
So we
Make
had
it-
half a paint booth to paint it in.
Okay. Very cool.
But
And so what do you got? What are you running for motor, transmission? What do you got going on?
350 small block,
Okay.
a 4-speed out of a 68 Camaro.
Okay. Very cool. Awesome. I see you got all the stickers on there. You got 1320, got them covered.
Yep.
Right? You got, you guys are set to go here. I love it. You got the header wrap.
Yep.
Very cool. You got your headers upside down, almost like a,
It's the only way we could fit them.
okay.
So we were told that they were a direct fit.
Oh.
And,
Well, let me tell you how that goes.
well,
you know what I mean, right?
with the cross member and the clutch assembly,
No way.
the collector wouldn't fit, nothing would fit. So
Right.
we were 3 days away from the ice cream cruise and we had to get it put back together.
Had to go.
So we flipped them upside down and
Ran the pipes.
Ran it.
Love it, dude. Yeah, it looks good, man. You do what you got to do, right?
yeah.
Every time you read it's a direct fit, you know you're in trouble.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll bolt right on, right? How often? Yeah, it doesn't happen very often. So, yeah, very cool. Let's check the inside of this thing out. Tell us about that steering wheel.
Got it from Timo actually.
Yeah, that's cool, right? It's got the air bubbles
Yeah.
in the plastic. Look at you. You are set up. So have you driven to school yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet. When's it going to be? When you thinking? This spring?
Hopefully after this, actually, we want to put an automatic in it.
Okay.
And then I'll be able to drive it.
It's got a really heavy clutch, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Real heavy?
Real heavy clutch, no power steering. So
Right.
watching her try and downshift from third down to second, trying to turn,
Getting kind of dicey.
using all the weight, you know.
Right, right.
Kind of hard.
Well, I love the color. Did you pick the colors?
I did.
Man, that's cool. Yeah, well done. Very nice. So you got a car show coming up.
I do, yes.
Tell us a little bit about that.
May 31st, we're talking about suicide awareness and kidney disease. It's something really important to me, and I feel like others should know that they aren't alone in like anything they do.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And so where's it going to be at?
Shadow Lake.
There in Papillion?
Yep.
Very cool. And what time to start?
10 a.m.
We're going to be there, Johnny?
We'll be there.
Absolutely, we're going to be there. You dang right we are. That's awesome. I'm excited. And yeah, that's cool. And so did your dad help you? You guys are working together on that one?
Yep. Absolutely.
Awesome, awesome. And I'm going to say here too, I mean, I love the relationship you guys have. Every time I see you guys at the swap meets and the car shows, you're always together. You know, you guys are always smiling. I love the vibe. You know, a lot of kids, you know, are don't have that connection with their parents. So you're blessed. And so, yeah, just proud of you, both you guys. Build your car together and hanging out together all the time. Warms my heart, really.
I appreciate it.
Absolutely,
It means a
absolutely.
lot.
So, absolutely.
It
Thank
really
you.
does.
Appreciate that.
Thank you.